Hi everyone, and welcome to Cooking with Cricket. Today I'm going to show you how I make fried cabbage on my Blackstone Griddle, and this recipe was inspired by a friend of mine who has a YouTube channel. His channel name is Jack's Drinkwater, and he made fried cabbage the other day, and I'm like, thanks for the idea, because we make fried cabbage too, but I make it indoors. So I'm going to link his video to that. Please go check him out. He has an awesome channel. He does all kind of videos and cooking videos and everything. So and tell him that Cricket sent you. So anyway, my griddle is good and heated because I got everything out here. I had my cabbage all nice and chopped up, bagged up, brought it out here, and realized that I didn't wash it. So as you can see, it's smoking hot. So I'm going to turn it down. My lovely assistant's going to be getting the bacon going. And then on this side, I'm going to get the cabbage started in just a second. Okay, so we just took a pound of bacon. We cut it in half. And the other half's in the freezer. This half we're going to cook. We might not use it all. We might save the bacon to go with our biscuits for breakfast in the morning. But anyway, just cook your bacon till it's done. And then we'll remove it to chop it up in a minute. Now on this side of the griddle right here, I'm going to start my cabbage because it's going to take a bit to cook. And then once the bacon gets done, then I'm going to slide it over so it can pick up that bacon grease flavor and stuff. So for now, I'm going to add a little oil. And I have just a half of an onion that I minced up. This won't take long at all. And now very carefully, I'm going to throw my cabbage on here. Now I'm going to go ahead and season it with a little kosher salt, some pepper, and that's all for right now. Give it a toss. Now my cover pan won't fit all of that, but it will help it some. So I'm just going to do it like that. Squirt a little water around it to create some steam. And give it just about a minute. Remove that lid, turn it, and do it again. Our bacon's done, so he's going to remove it. And we're just going to let it drain for a bit and just let it chill out over there. And as you can tell, there's not a lot of bacon grease on the griddle. Some of it has drained down, and that's great. So I'm going to go about a minute spin up. I'm going to remove this cover carefully. Either use tongs or make sure you wear an oven mitt because that's hot. I'm going to flip it and move the cabbage up over there. I'm coming over here with it. Now I'm going to cover it again. Let me put you where you can see it. Okay, go ahead and cover it again. Add a little more water and I'll bring you back. Okay, I'm pretty much done with this, that pan. So I'm going to give it a toss. And I'm just going to continue to turn it about every minute and everything because we want our cabbage cooked through and done. But I'll bring you back in a minute when I go to add some couple more seasonings to it. Okay, the cabbage is cooking good, so I'm going to turn this side up just a little bit.
Brought to you by Bush Light, and that's not Kevin Harvick.
Okay, Ricky's going to try a piece of cabbage to see if it's about done enough because we don't want to cook it just till it's all soggy.
It's good right now.
Okay, so now let me add my other two seasonings or ingredients. One is a little bit of hot sauce. This is not a hot sauce. And then the next is some What's This Here sauce. just about a teaspoon. Gonna stir that up, and then Ricky's gonna start crumbling the bacon and putting it on back in there. We're starting to get a little color on the cabbage. That's really good. Okay, Ricky's gonna toss it up. Like I say, let it go for just about a minute or two. We're gonna take it up, go inside, and try it for you. Okay, me, Ricky, and Alex are here. We're just gonna go ahead and get us a bite out of here and try it while I finish up the rest of the supper.
Scrumptious.
That's delicious.
Y'all like it?
Yes.
Yeah.
I think from here on out, we will do the cabbage on the griddle because
Amen.
it's delicious.
Amen.
So, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, because we love hearing from you. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Please go check out Jack Drinkwater's channel. And until my next video, I hope you enjoy. Bye, y'all.